Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is a special one. So I was at my friend's place and we looked over his Corolla. So I thought I'd make a video of it. Before we start it, hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Okay, so what we're looking at? Well, it's a 2009 Toyota Corolla LE model. So this one has always been parked outside. Yes, it's been through rough, bad winters and that's hot, sunny days in the sunlight. So, there is some accident on this vehicle before. I could tell that right now. And, there's a few things that are done on the vehicle as well, too. Yes, the hubcap is missing in the front over here. That was just a minor thing, cosmetic, right? The vehicle still runs great overall and no mechanical issues. That's the big thing, you know. And the vehicle is parked outside, like I say, almost 100% of the time, pretty much. Yes, there's one alert over here you can see, and it's almost 185,000 miles, you know. So no mechanical issues precluding. Yes, the mouse did bite through the cable uh, before, and we fixed that. So that was the only issue, affected the speed sensor. All right. If you look at the seats in the interior here, it's still in great shape. And you would think some of these vehicles, where we over time, everything would be ready to go to the junkyard. Not for Toyota. Toyota actually built vehicles that last. All right. My friend claimed that there's actually more mileage on the odometer. I don't know that, but it's showing the mileage right now is what it is. And you can see the seats are very comfy as well too at the same time. So this vehicle is his commuter vehicle, or you could say a junker vehicle, or what have you, right? And but the vehicle still handles and drives great. And I'm going to show you some shortcoming near the end. Short video today. This is the engine compartment. Yes, there is some rust on the brackets here and screws, right? But there's nothing really that stands out. 2009. So 2009, this is 2023. So let's see, how many years is this? It's about 14 years, all right? And yes, it's still in great shape. It still drives great. Yes, some components may need to be serviced. Yes, the battery is pretty old. Yes, they recharged it a few times. And you know the bumper, I don't know if it's replaced or not, but it doesn't seem to match the fenders and stuff like that. Yeah, but the body lines are still in great shape, you know. And you can see the doors and everything. Everything works, right? But there is one thing I want to show you. There's rust, all right? So Toyota is not really that great with vehicles that are not rusting. So they have a rust in the back right here. And I guess somebody graffitied that mark in the back. You can see the rust is also forming on the trunk over here. Yes, did I mention this is a LE model? Yes, it's a LE Toyota Corolla LE 2009, and looks like it got into accident over here, something like that. You can see I guess it's Bondo and the paint. You just, you see the lines and everything like that. But the big thing is like over here has the rust. Interesting, right? But other than that, the vehicle still handles and drives great. So you're looking for a Toyota product, they're built to last. You might pay a little bit more than the competition. You may not get the most sporty or the fastest vehicle. And also in this one, I think the bumper got hit before. But then again, it's a commuter car, it's a junker. Hopefully you like this video surprise you today. I really appreciate a thumbs up. Comment to share, please leave it below. And you have a card this old, please leave it below. Please also remember to subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.